I'm Olivia Williams and I am the Youth Project Lead at Pontypool Youth Project. So I run open access youth clubs, issue-based youth clubs, one-to-one sessions, detached work and residentials and trips with young people. I think any young person deserves and needs that space to be themselves.
Lucy has Tourette's syndrome and was extremely anxious, and Olivia has given her opportunities that loads of others wouldn't. Lucy was excluded from all sorts of different activities and clubs because she didn't fit in or because her tics were offending people, and Olivia has just allowed her to be herself, given her those opportunities to do the same things as other kids her age without any discrimination basically.
Olivia's greatest trait when working with young people is that she's passionate about what she does. She gets to know each and every young person one-to-one.
I'd say Olivia has helped me to express my ideas a bit more and show my enthusiasm a bit more.
The biggest thing Olivia has taught me is to have some self-confidence in yourself, because she's a really confident person and she helps you grow your confidence as well.
I nominated Olivia for the award because she is probably the only person and the first person to believe in Lucy. When Lucy was at complete rock bottom, Olivia didn't give up on her.
I think that youth work is just in you. So even though I've got all the qualifications and done the degree, it's just I like to meet people, I like to socialise with people, I like to make a difference in the community.
I would say that Olivia is an amazing person and she should keep going and following her dreams.
Thank you, Olivia.